Hey there everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to solve 29 squared in this fast and simple trick I just discovered. So follow me as I take you through. We start with the first digit, which is 2. We take the square of 2. 2 squared gives us 4. So we can write 4 here like this. The next digit is 9. So we take 9 and take the square of 9. Square of 9 gives us 81. So we combine 81 with our 4. And what do we do next? We multiply the 2 by the 9 and by the exponent 2. So we get 2 times 9, which gives us 18 times 2, which gives us what? 36. So with this 36 we've gotten, we just write 3, 6 and add a 0 at the end this way and sum it all up. 1 plus 0 gives us 1. 8 plus 6 gives us 14. 14 writes 4 and we group 1 here. So we carry 1 to the next level. 1 plus 3 gives us 4, plus 4 gives us 8. So we can conclude that 29 squared is none other than 841. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one.